I can't remember that joke.
What kind of apes talk too much? Blaboons.
It's about the butterfly and the window. I can't remember that one.
What kind of lion doesn't roar? A dandelion.
I got it. How do you make a butterfly fly out the window? You put it in your wing, your hand, and you throw that butter in the air like that. Puff!
Why did the chicken cross the road? Because?
For a second, I thought I couldn't remember how to do it, but then I remember. Tack, 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 laughing until they can't stand up anymore.